In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the not authorized to join this experience due to privacy error here in Roblox. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. It's actually pretty simple to do, so let's get right into it. First things first, go to the Roblox website and obviously make sure you are signed in. You can also do this on the app if you would like. The steps are fairly similar. If you're doing on the app though, first hit more and then hit the little settings gear on there and select settings. From here, go into your account info, which is going to be that very first tab, because this is where all your Roblox account details are going to be stored. What you're going to want to do is find the privacy and content restrictions section within here, select it, and you're going to find all the options that control who can join you, message you, and what experience you can access. Find the content maturity section right here and select it, and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. If it's set to something restrictive, you'll get errors when you try to join certain games, so make sure this option is set to restricted, moderate, or higher. I would put it on restricted just like so, just so that you don't get any errors at all. Just keep in mind you are going to have to verify your age and be at least 17 years old or older. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. Change that to restricted, verify your age, and you'll be good to go, and you'll no longer get that privacy error. If this video did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.